and welcome to another really belated Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I realize we are at the end of May, and we're doing February's box because I am so far behind on just life in general. But I'm trying to start catching up on things. The pile of things I need to unbox is dwindling. I'm getting closer to catching up with things, so I mean, that's a good sign. That's a good sign, but we'll take it as they come. So we're gonna just dive right in. So we've got our little mini magazine for February. And the little editor's note is, on holiday. It's February, and as the gods of Hallmark have decreed, it is time to celebrate love. And there is nothing Allure loves more than sharing a box of carefully curated beauty goodies. This month we've lined up everything from an intensely hydrating mask to an amazing luminizing highlighter. In between, you'll find universally flattering lipsticks that our testers refuse to return and a sheet mask that smells like flowers. Use it when you need a morning pick-me-up or perhaps after celebrating one of the month's other crucial holidays. National Shower with a Friend Day, February 5th, if you're interested in participating. So, then it's just got the usual different things you could get. So, like, we've got this highlighter, there's makeup brushes, there's a Bare Minerals infusion serum, there's like a sleeping mask, an eye cream, a lipstick, a sheet mask, all sorts of good stuff. So, and an ad on the back for the Olay Retinol 24. So we will go through here, and as I pull the things out, I'll read the things that are in here about the things. Okay? Okay. So, first things first, actually there is one of these Olay Retinol things. The Night Moisturizer, fragrance-free, Regenerist. Which is funny, because I totally got this in one of the, I want to say, January Target beauty boxes of the same exact sample. Which is kind of hilarious to me, but that's okay. It's definitely usable. Does it actually say anything about that one in here? I don't think it does. I think that was kind of just a last-minute toss-in. Hydrates better than the #1 retinol. Yeah, it says nothing else beyond that little ad. So Olay's Vitamin B3 Complex Retinoid, or Plus Retinoid Complex, non-greasy, approved for daily use without the trade-off. Retinol 24, 24-hour hydration. Package includes one Regenerist Retinol 24 mini jar, bonus $3 coupon. Directions: use in the evening, massage cream, evenly over face and neck. Avoid contact with eyes, blah 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 blah. So, let me just show you how tiny this is. I know I already did in that one Target beauty box unboxing, but I have to, for anyone who missed it, show you how itty bitty but adorable this little tiny sample size jar is. I'm not even sure if it's enough to, like, get this all over your face. It's so tiny, but I mean, maybe. I have yet to try, but maybe. It's awful cute, though. I'll give it that. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious me. That's just too funny that now I have got it in my mouth. The box, at least, not the product, but... Okay, so that was just, like, a bonus they threw in. So we have a NYX Professional Makeup Brush. Does it tell us what kind it is? It does not, so I'll have to figure it out by, that picture over here. Let's see here. Compared to that picture, it's one of the two on the sides. I'm trying to figure out which one this is. Ooh, it's very, very soft. So it's really hard to say which of those two it is. Maybe the first one. If it's the first one, it's a Pro Powder brush. If it's the right one, then it's a Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing brush. But how do I know for sure? It's a #3, if that helps us. Does it give us a number anywhere on here? Does not. I may have to look it up online, because I don't know for certain, but super duper soft. I'm liking the feel of it anyway. Anyway, what it says, I cheer up my makeup... cheer up. Let's try that again. I cherish my makeup tools like they are my children, and nothing compares to the blending abilities of NYX's Pro Powder Brush, Pro Contour Brush, and the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. Their synthetic bristles as soft as a puppy's ears. True, though. This feels exactly like my dog's ears. Puppy's ears create a seamless finish that my fingers just can't. The Pro Contour Brush is center, not what I have, is the most versatile of the bunch. When you swirl the tiny, fluffy, rounded brush in tight circular motions, foundation, concealer, and contouring products become airbrushed. I probably could have done the most with that one, honestly. The Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush, right, is amazing for depositing and smoothing pigments onto the skin. The bristles are densely packed in a larger, rounder shape to blend in foundation with more intensity than a fluffier version. And the Pro Powder Brush on the left is my favorite for blush and highlighter. So I suppose I can try it with blush, I can try it with highlighter, I can try it with foundation, see what works best with this, and try to figure out from there which it is. But I want to say, judging on the shape of this, I think it's the Pro Powder Brush. So the blush and highlighter one, which I could live with that. That's pretty good. I know that the NYX brushes are not exactly cheap, so I'm pretty happy there that I have one now. So our next thing in here is this itty bitty little thing by Belief. This is the eye cream one. Let's find what it says about that. I'm glad I got that versus the sleeping mask. So the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. This is like obviously a very tiny version, but the full-size version, which I'm definitely not buying because it's too damn pricey, is $58 effing. Oh! The NYX brushes, on the other hand, are 14 to 17 bucks a pop, which I realize compared to some are cheaper, but for somebody like me who likes to buy stuff from e.l.f., I'm like, yeah, that's too much. So anyway, this eye cream is made with peat extract, thought to be made from the buildup of organic material over centuries and potentially useful in the treatment of rosacea. But this is more than just a jar of ancient dirt. Great. It also contains velvety shea butter and no less than 3 Napiers, the herbalist's formulas, designed by the family of Duncan Napier, a Victorian herbalist with an enduring legacy. I suspect it is these herbal formulas that make this a superlatively hydrating eye cream, despite the fact that Napier also made a floral cough syrup that took months to work. Thyme is perhaps one of the unnamed ingredients in Belief's peat eye cream. Don't be surprised if it manages to turn back the clock. I tried to warn you. Okay. This velvety textured eye cream supports natural skin turnover, treating and nourishing the eye area. Okay. So let's see this ancient dirt. Well, at least it doesn't look like dirt, so I'm much more okay with the idea of putting that on my face. Maybe it'll go further than I think it will, being that teeny tiny. So then, oh, this is what was on that first page, huh? This is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. I don't think this is full size. I think this is a sample size. But, full size is $58 effing. Ouch! Ouch! Skin-sorials. Empower, promote skin's vitality, replenish, infuse with moisture, renew, reawaken the look of youth, fortify, enhancify skin's resilience. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So, my face has always been pretty good at enduring winter, but this year it was as if my skin thought the world was ending. Yeah, and everybody else's too. Sallow yellow invaded pink undertones. The bounce in my cheeks gave way to harsh redness. Makeup lost its ability to stick. I was itchy and tight and puffy. Using this watery serum between the toning and moisturizing steps in my twice daily routine proved to be the extra kick of hydration and anti-inflammation I needed, but just wasn't getting from my creams, masks, and other serums. I reach for it every day now, not only for the summery glow it provides, but also for its citrusy floral scent. Again, at $58 a pop, don't think I'll be buying this after I use up my sample, but I'll enjoy the sample. So, over here, I know what this is. I'm really happy about this, actually. Where has it got the info on it? Oh, it was on the first page, So this is that highlighter. Wander Beauty After Hours Highlighter. Does it have a color name? Just Wondrous Glow. Okay. Or no, the color is After Hours. Look how pretty that is. I can't wait to play with that. Oh, that's going to be pretty. So, back when I was a budding beauty editor, highlighter wasn't a thing. No, really. Take the Allure Best of Beauty Awards, a barometer of the beauty culture if ever there was one. In 2002, there was no highlighter category. 10 years ago, one winner. Last year, 6. Liquid gloss, cream, stick, powder, and palette. Highlighter has become a makeup basic. My glow-making arsenal has grown to include many options, but I always come back to powders. I find them the easiest to control, and they stick around. My most recent favorite is Wander Beauty's After Hours. The shade is a silvery pearl that glints off the planes of my face without looking greasy. Perfect. Sounds like it'll be a lot like that one Ofra one that I love. Wander's whole MO is easy and on the go, and this formula is no exception. On harried mornings, most mornings, I rub a finger over the silky powder and tap it along my cheekbones, curving up over my temples. Usually there's just enough left to press into the inner corners of my eyes, and suddenly, good morning! It's a surefire wake-up call and the highlighter of my day. Cute. Cute. Now this one I was actually really stoked that I got because I've seen pictures of these all over social media. I've honestly been really jealous, and now I own one. It's one of these lipsticks. You guys know you've seen them too. This is by Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse, which is actually a really pretty color, if you can see that. I think this is still, yeah, it's still sealed, so I'll open it so I can show it proper to you guys. Try to, anyway. Yeah, it's the perforated side. What the hell? I'm not sure I have enough nails to get it. Crap. I thought I did. Is there anywhere else to get a point of purchase on this? I'm like wrecking my nail polish for you guys right now. Huh. I'll hit stop on this and I'll be right back. Box cutter to save the day. That's what I had nearest that I could cut a little point of purchase on that plastic so I can start getting it open. Hopefully it was enough, otherwise I can always slice it again. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Is there anything? Oh, it was the ingredients list. But that's alright. We don't really need that, do we? No, we don't need that. I can keep it over here just in case for when I review it, but anyways. So, it just slides right out of there, which is interesting. It, like, barely holds. Which makes me a little nervous, but damn, it looks cool. And then just rolls right up. Beautiful color. They are not joking when they say it's like a universally flattering shade. It's a hot day out, and I think that's why it's sweating a tiny bit, but I'm not reviewing it today, so that doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to set it over here. This lipstick is more of a rose than a nude. What the hell does nude mean anyway? But it's not a rose in the wild. This is an aspirational rose, a brownish rose that looks regal, a glossy color that swipes on easily and blends, lending a tint of color without any opacity. This color elevates without disguising. It's not a glamour red or a flirty pink, a serious brown or a playful violet or blue. This shade is more essential. This color has already measured the dimensions of your bag and made room next to your wallet and keys. It will be a staple. Its price is $21 frickin' dollars, and I got it as part of this box, so I'm happy with that, because I only pay like $15 a month for this box, so fine by me. And finally, I'm actually real happy about this guy too once I get it out. We got a sheet mask. You know I love my sheet masks. So, this is the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask. And it's in rose. And I'm really, really happy with that. And look how cute. It's like got kissy lips is the heart on it. So, price of this is $3. Finally, a cheap thing! The first thing that I noticed about Honey Jarrett's Super Beauty Mask, or Sheet Mask, the appealing pink lemonade shade. Next, the scent, strong but not offensively so, reminds me of the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Infused with rose and tea extracts, the formula's texture is lightweight and slick but not wet, making it easy to forget it's even on. I kill time by reading about how honeybee swarms use collective decision-making to scout a new hive location, a fitting topic given Honey Jarrett's name and the brand's commitment to clean beauty. The timer rings. I remove my sheet mask and voila! I have a new, refreshed, and rejuvenated complexion. Sounds pretty good to me, and this feels like a really nice juicy one too. I mean, I know, I like always freaking squeeze on them when they're still in the little sachet, but this one's a moisturizing, a brightening one, which is like generally what I intentionally look for when I hunt down sheet masks. So yeah, so in this Allure box I got this guy, I got this guy, which is already worth the price of admission right there alone. I got that. I got the highlighter. I got the little mini baby eye cream. I got the brush, which in and of itself also, like the cost of the box in total, just on its own if I were to buy it in the store. And the little retinol thing. All for $15, guys. And this is why it's like, you know, originally, I was just planning on getting that one first Allure box, and yet, months later, we're still here, still getting them, because I'm like, you know, I do feel like I'm getting a good deal on these, currently. If I ever change my mind, I'll cancel. But currently, I'm enjoying it still, so gonna keep it up for now. So anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. I totally just lost my train of thought in the middle of my sign-off. Awesome! So, yeah, if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.